Town Street vicinity. Blood smoke in the air, it fills my identity. Somebody said it's on, if it is then I'll be set to blow a nigga up with my 5 fingers of death. I bring it to his whole damn fam. Understand if you frontin' on any man down with the clan, I'll be coming for the headpiece. You can't go for my brother. I bring it to the flow for your mother. Serial killer sound from the yells of stat. My peoples, are you with me where you at? Shit's getting deep in here. I mean like thick. Niggas looking all in my face like they want dick. It's about to hit the fan, hit the flow. That's all I can stand and I can't stand no more. What is it? Niggas think they big up because they got their finger on the trigger of a biscuit. They don't know I'm wicked. When I start to kick it, eat they raw sound, watch it down with a mystic. That I got a snap.